NBA result December 4, 2024 mga idol. Si 26er dinali ang Hornets 110-104. Paul George may 29 points, 2 rebounds, 8 assists. Milwaukee Bucks sinuwag ang Detroit Pistons 128-107. Si Giannis ang umiskor ng 28 points, 7 rebound, 8 assists. Cleveland Cavaliers tinalo ang Wizard 118-87. Si Evan Mobley umiskor ng 19 points, 10 rebound. Samantala si Mitchell ay nagambag din ng 19 points. Si Mitchell Donovan. New York Knicks pinadapa ang Orlando Magic 121-106. Si Josh Hart umiskor ng 11 points, triple-double si Josh Hart, 13 rebounds, 10 assists. Si Anthony Towns ay may 23 points at 15 rebounds. Toronto Raptors dinali din ang Pacers 122-111. Si Scottie Barnes ang umiskor ng 35 points, 6 rebounds, 9 assists. Oklahoma City Thunder tinalo na naman ang Utah Jazz 133-106. Si Shai Gilgeous-Alexander umiskor ng 26 points, 6 rebounds, 7 assists. Dallas Mavericks nilapa ang Grizzlies 121-116. Luka Doncic umiskor ng 37 points, 12 rebounds at 4 assists. Phoenix Suns sinunog ang Spurs 104-93. Si Devin Booker umiskor ng 29 points, 9 rebounds, 5 assists. Sacramento Kings dinali ang Houston Rockets 120-111. Si Domantas Sabonis umiskor ng 27 points, 7 rebounds, 4 assists. Denver Nuggets pinalakol ang Golden State Warriors 119-115. Nikola Jokic nag-double-double, 38 points, 10 rebounds, 6 assists. Lastly, ang Los Angeles Clippers sinagasaan ang Portland Trail Blazer 127-105. Si Norman Powell ang umiskor ng 30 points, 4 rebounds, 5 assists. Thanks for watching mga katribo.